We have a question on the same lines that you have just pointed out from one of our viewers, and that's GS Arun from Hyderabad. He says, "Hi Sakshi, hope you're doing well." Very well, Mr. Arun, and thank you so much for asking. I hope the same for you. He says it's very clear now that Mr. Trump and his policy decisions are going to be impacting world markets. And at this point in time, I believe that no experience, fundamentals or technicals are actually working out at this point in time for me. So I am very concerned at this point in time. You know, a lot of viewers must actually be thinking this way, that whether it is quality stocks, heavyweight counters, or whether it was, you know, always a technical strong stock, nothing is working in this kind of a sell-off, because you do not know when the next statement will come in and how that will guide the market, you know, going forward. Tell us, how do you know, retail investors really read the sentiments? Is it better to stay away till the time dust settles on this?
Obviously, I think with respect to risk, if he's a risk adverse investor, obviously he has to look for some kind of value. Stocks which have down by 20 to 40% due to this all Trump harness. So I think that would be a good, type of strategy one investor should look out for. If he's a very conservative investor, he has to keep away sidelines and then wait for everything to settle. At least market to bounce back at least by 3 to 4% from the bottom, whichever level we are discussing right now, and then he can take a better call. But if he's a risk taker, I think he should start buying some kind of the way I said you, Atmanirbhar stocks, which will give them lower limited risk from the current levels. But obviously, whenever markets turns positive, those stocks will react very fast.
So, कुछ नाम बताना चाहेंगे आत्मनिर्भर स्टॉक्स जो आपने पसंद किए हैं, which you have identified in this falling market?
I think again Apollo Hospital should be one stock one should focus. Again, it is a very no effect from Trump. Again, he doesn't do anything on the healthcare sector, which is in India right now. Obviously, indirectly the pharma as a sector will be affected, but healthcare would be a sector where whenever you are in an emergency, obviously you need to go back to a best quality hospitals to get a best treatment. So I think both in terms of technical as well as fundamental, Apollo Hospital looks very good. I think if you see 3-4 days, even days back, Narayan Rudhyalaya has done a very well. Again, it has touched all-time high. So I think Max Hospital, Max Healthcare, as well as Apollo Hospital, these two stocks should be risk-free with respect to Trump harness.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.